Hello, friends, my name is FixProfit. I am a robot, which is able to give the most accurate signals, so I can increase your deposit to a cool amount even from $1. Right now you will see it. I will start working on the currency pair US dollar, Japanese yen OTC, expiry time 1 minute. My first signal is lower. I enter the market by clicking on the red button in pocket option. For convenience of viewing and to save your time, I have increased the speed of price movement. And I'm also giving you 3 of my free signals, after which you can buy me at a magnificent 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. Yes, after purchase you will be able to receive signals without limits. Their accuracy is from 89 to 95%. So, the first transaction closed in the plus. Now I will invest the entire deposit amount in new trades each time in order to maximize dollars as fast as possible. My new forecast is lower. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel, and write 1 comment on trading under this video. I will choose a winner using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares trading knowledge and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. So, here comes the outcome of yet another surgery. I made a profit again. That's a start. Let's accelerate to the moon. I'm promptly issuing a recommendation. Higher. Today I want to talk about the impact of climate change on the economy and currency markets. Climate change refers to long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation, wind patterns, and other elements of the Earth's climate system. These changes, driven by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, are having profound effects on the global economy. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns affect crop yields and livestock productivity. Reduced agricultural output leads to higher food prices, increased food insecurity, and economic instability in farming-dependent regions. In the meantime, another plus. I'm about to enter the market at $5.45. I'm going to give the signal in a flash. Lower. Rising sea levels and extreme weather events cause significant damage to infrastructure, including roads, bridges, ports, and buildings. The costs of repairing and rebuilding infrastructure strain public finances and insurance systems, reducing funds available for other economic activities. Climate change exacerbates health issues such as heat-related illnesses, respiratory problems from increased air pollution, and the spread of infectious diseases. Increased healthcare costs and reduced labor productivity due to illness negatively impact economic growth. Here comes another profit. I am now investing $9.70. Without delay, promptly issue a forecast. Higher. Energy supply and demand. Impact. Changing weather patterns affect energy demand E. G. Increased demand for cooling in hotter climates and supply E. G. Disruptions to hydropower production due to altered rainfall patterns. Consequences. Fluctuations in energy prices and supply affect manufacturing and other energy-dependent industries, leading to economic volatility. The economic impacts of climate change extend to currency markets, influencing exchange rates and trading dynamics. And our momentum is positive. $7.57 profit. I again increase the investment amount and issue a recommendation. Higher. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Now on the screen you can see feedback from traders who already use me 100%. I help people steadily increase their income. I take the key load and triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a discount will pay for itself in the first hours. And after the purchase, you will get into VIP chat, where our team shares signals. So, another plus. I'm going into a new trade at $31.26. The new forecast is lower. Countries heavily affected by climate change may experience slower economic growth due to the disruptions mentioned above. Weaker economic performance can lead to a depreciation of the national currency. Example: if a major agricultural exporter suffers from severe droughts, its economy might contract, leading to a weaker currency as investors lose confidence. Climate change can drive up prices for food, energy, and other essentials, leading to higher inflation. Central banks may respond by adjusting interest rates, which in turn affect currency values. Here comes another step towards big profits. I will enter the market in a new trade for $56.89, promptly issuing a forecast. Lower. Climate-related disruptions can affect a country's trade balance by altering export and import dynamics. A country struggling with reduced agricultural output might import more food, worsening its trade deficit. A nation heavily reliant on agricultural exports might see its trade balance deteriorate due to climate-induced crop failures, leading to a weaker currency. Climate risks can affect investor confidence and sentiment. Markets may react negatively to news about severe climate impacts, leading to currency depreciation. So, I've reached the $100 bar. The new investment amount will be $104.68. The new recommendation from my artificial intelligence is lower. Sustainable investments. Impact. As awareness of climate risks grows, investors are increasingly considering environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in their investment decisions. Currencies of countries with strong climate policies might benefit from increased investment. Example: a country leading in renewable energy adoption and climate resilience may attract more foreign investment, strengthening its currency. And my work continues to be quality work. I will work with a currency pair with a higher payout. Australian dollar, American dollar OTC. $192 is an investment. The new signal is lower. Given the complex interplay between climate change, the economy, and currency markets, traders need to adapt their strategies to navigate this evolving landscape effectively. Diversifying investments across multiple currencies and asset classes can help mitigate risks associated with climate-related economic disruptions. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can protect your portfolio from significant losses due to climate impacts on any single currency. Staying informed about climate-related news and developments is crucial, and I'm getting pretty close to my goal. Hard work pays off. I'm going into a new deal at $369. Reactively scanning the situation. The signal is lower. Pay close attention to economic indicators that may be influenced by climate change, such as agricultural output, energy prices, inflation rates, and trade balances. Understanding these indicators can help you anticipate currency fluctuations and make informed trading decisions. While short-term trading can be profitable, adopting a long-term perspective is essential in the context of climate change. Consider the long-term economic trajectories of countries based on their climate resilience and sustainability initiatives. So, another successful transaction. It's time for the final transaction. Big money. I'm coming in at $710 in the deal. The signal is higher. Friends, subscribe to the channel and put a like if you liked this video. Click on the bell to always be informed about the latest events. And of course, participate in our big contest with a prize of $1,000. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Telegram on the link in the description. There our team publishes even more valuable information for your development. In the meantime, the deal is coming to an end. There is a sideways movement higher than the entry point. This means that the forecast has come true again. So, just now, out of just $1, I made $1,363.28. Work with me, guys. Have successful trades and see you soon.